This tutorial will help you get involved with Apex events. Start by joining the crew on Social Club and our Discord. Once you're in the server, navigate to the top left corner. Here you can find our special event listings, the Launchpad, and the information channel for announcements. Go to the Launchpad to get your pronoun roles, as well as notification roles for Gfred events, crew events, gaming events, and events from the broader GTA community. These all correspond to their related events channels, which you can find in the Points of Interest list. You can find info about Gfred Fridays, which is advertised in gaming events, as well as Apex Saturdays, which is advertised in crew events here. You may need to add the event host, or another participant on Social Club to easily be invited to an event that you want to join. Having the crew set as active is the other way that you can easily join up. Event host will monitor events chat for any questions or concerns that you may have. Also, be sure to check out car groups for a full classification table of the GTA vehicles that we use for our races, and car discussion for more information on how to tune your cars up. I look forward to seeing you at one of our events.